situation. Whoa. What was that? Whole tram show. That was weird. All right, now this. Okay, it is an earthquake. Please remain seated. Arms and legs in the vehicle. Hold on tight to your belongings. It only lasts a few seconds. Everything is under control. Except for that, back there on the left, that would be the second floor coming down. Yikes. Okay, just hang on, everyone. Okay. All right. Everyone, the most important thing.